Hi everyone, it's Orion here, and I'm gonna give you a little intro into my website, Dazed and Confused. And basically, I called it Dazed and Confused because it's kind of about me and how I kind of feel about the world right now. And basically, the idea is trying to take something that's very uh, pop culture and mainstream and sort of use it in a way to critique society. So here is the website. Right here at the top is sort of my logo. It's actually a caricature of me that my friend Paolo drew of me one day in class. And you can see me with my big glasses and my hair kind of all wild. And at the top it says, I think, because I start with a lot of sentences saying, I think. I actually recently just changed the outline of my site, the settings, because I didn't really like how it looked before. So I'm sort of trying some new templates. So this is a new one. So here I have the logo at the top of um, each page. Here are the 3 pages. And then here is the home page. It's got my Twitter on the side, and then it's got um, basically a little sort of tagline of feeling out of whack, a little off kilter, a little dazed or confused, which basically is like um, I'm trying to connect with the person who would view this website. And then it says what we do here, and there's a little link here for episode 1, which I just finished. And I'll actually be able to play you some of episode 1, hopefully. If we move to the About Contact page, you can see I have a slightly different image of, someone on their phone contacting. And then I put together my contact and about page, so it might change. And there it's just a little blurb about me and why I have this crazy mixed up brain that connects Beauty and the Beast and American politics together, and stuff like that. And then I have a listen page. And basically here I'm just creating a blog, and is my blog page. And each one is connected to where I'm hosting my podcasts. So if I click on my podcast, it actually leads to the SoundCloud site where I'm hosting it. I decided to use SoundCloud because it was free, it was easy to use. If you do a podcast through iTunes, they actually you have to wait a certain period to be approved to be on iTunes, and you didn't have to do that with SoundCloud, which is great. I'm going to see if, and here it has a blurb of what the first episode is like, and then so you can sort of listen to it here and comment here and share here, as well as on the previous page. You can also leave a comment and share at the bottom. Oh, you don't. I have to fix that. So let's see if we'll be able to have a listen. I start off every podcast with a chime. I decided to use the chime sound because it's very tension grabbing, and then it goes into the episode, and we start with the song, A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, or just an instrumental version, and then I start talking. Hi, how are you doing? Are you feeling a little off kilter? So I basically start with the tagline, and then we sort of move on, and I talk about, why don't you listen to it? So that's basically the intro to my video. And I look forward to hearing your comments, and I look forward to seeing your other projects. I've been watching some of the other intro videos, and it looks really super fun and cool and So many of you guys are so talented. So, thanks.